Hello, I'm Tina, and today I'll be talking about two different resources that help me plan out final projects and help with time management. These upcoming weeks will be filled with final projects, so hopefully these resources will help you guys stay on schedule. Our first resource is Trello. Trello is amazing for group projects. As you can see, this is my GDUP 2 project from last year, and I have differentiated between who does what and even like just random pickup items that I can move in if I want to do them or put them back if it's too much. It's super easy and I feel as though it's super intuitive because adding another card can just go like this and simply finishing them feels really rewarding because you just move it over to the done pile. And you know what? Checking it off just feels really satisfying. You can also add due dates so you can make sure things are done on time and on schedule. And also it's a good visualization to see how much is done and how much you have left. Because as you can see, this project is very much going longer than expected as we ended up continuing it over the summer. You can also add more lists if you want more categories. So here's our next resource. Personally, I prefer this over Trello, but it's all up to you if you prefer something more simplistic or something you can go more in depth with. This is Notion. The reason why I like Notion so much is because although with Trello you have like a very static theme and you could use some plugins to make it better, but I do like how customizable this is. For example, they offer a bunch of different templates you could use. This one up here, it just shows a bunch of documents. This one here will show, it offers gateways to other engineering stuff. And this one seems to be a design template, which you could use with multiple people. I personally haven't used Notion for group work, but I'm sure it will work well. It's very similar to Trello with this layout, but the main difference is that you could do stuff like this, whereas in Trello, it's very minimal, no really formatting. This is, for example, a project I have done on here. As you can see, it's a very realistic project outline, and it's not done as neatly as, you know, the templates, but as long as it works for you, that's all you need. So these are the two resources. Thank you for watching and good luck with your finals and final projects.